Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall do some arithmetic on work and waste. We have already discussed 11 sums on it. Today we shall begin with question number 12. Look at your book. And question number 12 is like this. Wages of 20 boys for 15 days is rupees 9,000. If the daily wage of a man is 1.5 times that of a boy, how many men must work for 30 days to earn 13,500? You know, the question is, what is the question? 20 boys, 20 boys in 15 days, in 15 days, get how many? RS 9,000. Therefore, one boy in 15 days will get 9,000 upon 20. One boy in one day will get 9,000 upon 20 into 15. Okay. 0, 0 cancel. 2, 4 the 1, 10. 5, 0, 15, 30 the is equal to 30 rupees. Could you understand? One boy gets 30 rupees per day. Could you understand? So, therefore, one boy will get, one boy in one day they get 30 rupees. In 30 days will get how much? 30 into 30 is equal to 900. Could you understand? A boy working 30 days gets 900. Could you understand? So, 900 is, 900 is earned in 30 days by one boy. Could you understand? Therefore, one will be earned, 1 rupee will be earned, 1 upon 900, therefore 13,500 will be earned, 1 upon 900 into 13,500. 00 cancel, 9 1 the 9 5 the 15. Could you understand? So 15 boys. And you know one man is equal to 1 half boy. Could you understand? That means 3 upon 2 boy. Right? So 3 upon 2 boy is equal to 1 man. Therefore 1 is equal to 1 into 2 upon 3. Therefore 15 boy is equal to into 15. 3 5 the 5 2 the 10 men. So right answer is, which is the correct answer?
Number 4.
Number 4 is the correct answer. Right? Next. Which number? Number 13. Wages of 10 women for 5 days is rupees 1,250. The daily wage of a man is twice that of a woman. How many men must work for 8 days to earn rupees 1,600? It is just like question number 12. You can do it. I know very well. Could you understand? Answer is, tell me, which is the answer?
Number 3.
Number 3. How many men?
4 men.
4 men. Okay, you will do it. Will you?
Yeah.
Okay. Next one is 14. Question number that is 14. What did I say? Question number 14. Could understand? If 5 men with 7 boys can earn rupees 3,825 in 6 days, and 2 men with 3 boys can earn 1,504 days, in what time 7 men with 6 boys earn 22,500? Could understand? So the question is, what did I say? Question is 5 men plus 7 boys in 6 days, and how much? And how much? Tell me. 3,825, right? 25. Next, they will earn in 2 days. 2 days, how many? Tell me. 2 days means 3, 8, right? 2, 5 upon 6 into 2, 2, 3, the 3, 1, 2, 7, 5. Could understand? Okay. Next one is 2 men plus 3 boys in 4 days, and how much? Tell me how much? 1,050. Could understand? Therefore, 2 men plus 3 boys in 2 days will earn 1,050 upon what? Upon 2. In 4 into 2, 2 to the is equal to 525. That means 5 men plus 7 boys is equal to 1,275. Next, 2 men plus 3 boys is equal to 525. So we will multiply. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. We will multiply equation 1 by 2. Could understand? And equation 2 by 3. Right? By 5. Right? This is 5. Okay. So 10 men plus 14 boy is equal to 2550. 10 men plus 15 boy is equal to 3625. Minus cancelled. So how many? Minus 1b is equal to this is 26 is equal to minus 75. Therefore b is equal to 75. Could I say boy 75? Now let's do it. Here we shall do it. 2m plus 3b is equal to 525. Right? The 2m plus 3b into 75, you know, is equal to 525. Implies that 2m is equal to 525 minus 225 is equal to 300. There m is equal to 300 upon 2 is equal to 150. So men 150 and boy 100. Which is the correct answer? Tell me.
Number 1.
Number
1.
40 number 1 where is it?
15 days.
In what time? 15 days. Oh yes. Just 1 minute. So 7 men, that is 7 men plus 6 boy is equal to 7 into 150 plus 6 into 75 is equal to 1050 plus 450 is equal to 1500. Could understand? 1500 is earned in 1 day. Therefore, 1 will be earned 1 upon 1500. Therefore, Therefore, 1500 is earned in 1 day. You know, 1 will be earned 1 upon 1500. Therefore, how much? 22,500 will be earned. 1 upon 1500. 15 1 and the 15 5 the, that is 15 days. 15 days. Purani say which is the correct answer? Number 1 is the correct answer. Okay. Number 1 is the
Correct answer.
correct answer. Okay. Next. Question number 15. If 3 men and 4 boys can earn Rs 2107 days and 11 men with 13 boys can earn 8,308 days, in what time will 7 men and 9 boys earn 11,000? It is also the same. So let's do it. 3 men plus 4b is 1 days in 7 days in 1 day into I earn 2,100 upon 7 is equal to 300. Similarly, 11 men plus 3 boy, 13 boys. 13 boys in 1 day is equal to how many? 8,300 upon 8 is equal to 1037.50. Now let's this is equation 1, this is equation 2. We shall multiply equation 1 with 11 and equation 2 with 13. Right? The 30 this is not 13, this is 3. Could understand? This is 3. 3, 4. This is also 3, right? So, into 11 into 3, right? Okay, we shall do it. That means 33 men plus 44 boy in one day ends how many? 3300. Similarly, 33 men plus 39 boy in one day ends how much? 1125. Three one. Right. Minus is equal to 5. This cancelled. This is 5. B is equal to 187.50. Therefore, B is equal to how much? 187.50 upon 5 is equal to 37.50. Look at the blackboard. Could understand? So 3 men plus 4 boy is equal to 300, you know. Implies that 3 men plus 4 into 37.5 is equal to 300. Implies that 3 men is equal to 300 minus 150 is equal to 150. So one man is equal to 150 upon 3 is equal to 50. Could understand? Next one is 7 men, 9 men, 7 men. 7 men plus 9 boy in one day is equal to 7 into 50 plus 9 into 37.5 is equal to 350 plus 337.5 is equal to 687.50. Could understand? So it is 687.50 is earned in one day. Could understand? Therefore, how many? 11,000 will be earned. 11,000 will be earned. 1 upon 687.50 into 11,000 is equal to 16 days. Okay, right answer is 16 days. So tell me, which is the correct answer? Which is the?
Number
15. 1. Okay, 1 is the correct answer. Could you understand? Okay. Number 1 is the correct answer. Okay. Next question number 16, 17, 18. So question number 16 is, if 12 men with 13 boys can earn rupees 4,893.75 in 3 days, and 5 men with 6 boys can earn rupees 3,562.50 in 5 days, in what time will 3 men with 4 boys earn rupees 4,500? It is just like question number 15, and the answer is, and you can do it. Next one is question number 17. 5 men and 5 women earn rupees 660. In 3 days, 10 men and 20 women earn rupees 3,500 in 5 days. In how many days can 6 men and 6 women earn rupees 1,060? Which is the correct answer? Tell me. It is just like 15 and 16. You need not worry. Next, 18 is also like that. Could understand? Now let's move to 19. Could understand? A, B and C together earn rupees 2,700 in 80 days. Could understand? A and C together earn rupees 9,940 in 10 days. B and C together earn rupees 1,520 in 20 days. Find the daily earning of C. ABC, A plus B plus C. In one day, earn how much? 2700 upon 18 is equal to 150. Similarly, A plus C in one day earn how much? 940, that is 940 upon how many? 10 is equal to 94. Could you understand? BCN B plus C in one day and how much? BC 1,520 upon, look at the blackboard, 0 cancelled, is equal to 76. Right? So A plus B plus 2C is equal to in one day n how much? N 94 plus 76 94. Okay, 94 76 plus 94 76 is equal to 170. A plus B plus C in one day n 150. Could you understand? So if we subtract this A, B, C from A, B to C, we will get C in one day earns 20 rupees. RS 20. Which is the correct answer? Tell me. Number
1.
Number 1 is the correct answer. Number 1 is the correct answer. Right? Next one is 21. Right? 21. A, B and C together earn rupees 640 in 80 days. AC together earn rupees 250 in 5 days. BC together earn rupees 420 in 6 days. Find the daily earning of C. And number question is just like number 19. So its answer is, could you understand? 40. 4. Could you understand? You will do it. It is the very same of question number 19. Similarly, question number 21. This is question number 21. A, B, C together earn rupees 1,500 in 10 days. A and C together earn rupees 800 in 80 days. B and C together earn rupees 900 in 9 days. Find the daily earning of B. It is also just like question number 19 and 20. Its answer is rupees 50. Could you understand? and you work out the sum yourself because it is very easy. You understand? Just you follow the procedure that is done in question number right, and you will get the answer. With this, that is the end of today's math class. We shall discuss the other maths in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.